Today for math, I'm going to start a little game that I'm going to do with you for a few days in a row, and it's going to be for you to guess my rule. So I'm going to show you my whiteboard in a minute, and you'll see some pictures on it. And there's a rule that I followed to only include certain things. So think about, what was my rule? I was only going to draw things that had, what could it be? Was my rule to only draw squares? No, this is not a square. This is not a square. There's only one square. Was my rule to only draw rectangles? No. These two are rectangles, but these are not. Can you guess my rule? The rule was to draw shapes that had 4 sides. Rectangles have 4 sides, rhombuses have 4 sides, and squares have 4 sides. If you guessed that, well done, and if not, you'll get to try again tomorrow. So now I'm going to put a picture of some other things on here. See if you can remember what they're called and what they mean. Here's the first one. Remember what sign that is? It's the equal sign, and it shows that things are the same, right? It shows that things are the same. So let's play a little game. Here's the equal sign. What is it called? Equal sign. Take a look what's on this side. Is that true? Are they equal? No. How many are here? 4. And how many are here? 2. That's not the same. That is not equal. Not equal at all. But there's a way I could make them equal. So if I wanted to make these 2 sides be equal, how many more circles should I put over there? Right, I would need 2 more so that there's 4 over here. There's 4 over here. Let's try one other to practice with the equal sign. There's the equal sign. Okay, what about if I did this? Is that equal? 3 and 2. No, that's not equal. What would I need to put here to make it equal? I'd need to put the number 2. 2 is equal to 2. Good. So keep that in mind. Now let's look at this symbol. It looks just like a T, but in math, it's called something else. It's the plus sign. Plus sign. You can do it with your fingers. Plus sign. Say plus, plus, and it means getting more. What does it mean? Getting more. Let's do the whole thing. Repeat after me. Plus means getting more. Good. So now today's like the first day we're really going to look at math equations together, which means a math sentence. And there will be a plus sign in it, and there'll be an equal sign. You do not need to write out the equation. What I want you to do is I want you to draw a picture in your notebook that matches my equation. So I'll do an example, and then you'll know more what I mean. It says 3, read it with me, plus 1 equals. And we don't know the answer. Over here needs to be equal to what's over here. So some of you might know the answer. Let's pretend we don't. 3, that means we have 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're getting more. How many more are we getting? We're getting 1 more. So this is a picture that you could draw that would match this. 3 and 1. 3 and 1 is equal to how many altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4. And you don't really need to change your picture at all. You're showing that you have 4. You have a group of 3 and 1, and all together it's 4. Okay, so I'm going to write an equation, and I want you to practice drawing the picture. Plus and equals. All right, so this time let's do 2 plus 4 equals, how many circles should we start with? 2. Those 2 will look different than the others. We have to show our group of 2. And how many? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now count your picture and see how many you have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is our total. And that shows if we have 2 and 4, that's the same as 6. The same as. That's why that equal sign in there. 2 and 4 is like saying 6 altogether. Good. Let's try it. We'll do maybe 3 more. So your job is to draw the picture that matches the equation, the math sentence, and then read it with me at the end. Four plus 4. Let's show that in a picture. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. We need 4 more. 3, 4. And see how I can see my 2 groups? 4 are here, 4 are here. What is that equal to? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, to make an 8, you do an S and connect. Let's read the whole equation. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Great. We have 2 more to practice. Okay, here's our next equation. 5 plus 4 equals, okay, get busy drawing. Our first group is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we add, we get more. This is how many more? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is 5 and 4 the same as? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's read it together. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Great. And our last equation will be 3 plus 7. Let's draw the picture. 1, 2, 3, and then I need 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just wanted to double check. It's a lot to draw. So now I need to know, what is 3 and 7 equal to? What is it the same as? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's read it together. 3 plus 7 equals 10. All right. Those are done for the day, and now we will do our calendar. So get your calendar books out. Anybody know what day of the week it is without even looking? Today's Wednesday. Okay, open it up. Today, let's start. How about on the number 113? 113. 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146. Should be a 146. Sorry, you can't even see that. There you go. Okay, do your 10 frame counting. Try it by yourself today. When you have 146 done, this is what this page will look like. Tally marks. 5, 10, 15, 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 145, 146. Check your work. And then find the April page. Can you put your finger on today? It's 2 2s. What number does that make? 22. So what number was yesterday? 21. And what number will tomorrow be? 23. Okay, let's write 22. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. It's Earth Day. It's a nice day. It's warm. It's above 60, so we'll do a yellow below the number 22. Or you can write yellow if you don't have a yellow crayon. And right now I observe the sun in the sky. I'll mark one for sunny and you mark whatever you see. And calendars are done for the day. Thanks for all your hard work.